calculated columns all the time. But do you know how to create a complete DAX query? They're not the same thing. A DAX measure is not the same thing as a full DAX query. And this is why I created this course. Hello, my name is Randy Minder, and I have over 25 years in the software development, data engineering, business intelligence, and Power BI space. I've worked with many technologies and computer languages, and I can say that Power BI and DAX are near the top of the most impressive piece of technologies I've ever worked with. You can create all the measures and expressions you want, but there's going to come a time when you will need to see all the underlying data, perhaps grouped or sorted in a certain way. You will want to test and verify certain aggregations. There will come a time when you'll want to export underlying data. You're going to want to test various measures or simulate measures or changes in measures in DAX queries. This is when you will need to really understand how to write a complete DAX query. So what's included in this course? Well, we're going to start by discussing the tools available to write complete DAX queries. We'll then talk about the evaluate statement. Every DAX query starts with evaluate. We then move into the most common table functions used when creating DAX queries. We'll talk a bit about the importance of data lineage and the TREATAS function. And we'll spend a bit of time helping make the transition from writing T-SQL queries to DAX queries. Then we'll talk briefly about how to export data to CSV files or SQL Server. So who is the target audience for this course? Well, the course is targeted to the DAX developer. You don't need to have a great deal of experience with DAX, but you should have some. You should be able to write at least basic DAX expressions. You know, I've learned a lot putting this course together. I hope you equally enjoy working through it, and I hope to see you on the inside.